welcome to TrojanVision News for October 20th, 2022.
That's the sound of a student journalist in the making right here in the Earl Hutto studio, home to TrojanVision News. This high school student and over 400 others from all over the Southeast got the opportunity to attend Troy University's J-Day, a day all about journalism.
J-Day is our annual high school workshop where we have 400 to 500 students come onto campus to take workshops with industry professionals and some of our professors. These industry professionals are a lot of times our graduates, so they're able to show students what they did with their degrees from Troy. What we like to do is bring them on to talk about design elements for yearbook and newspapers and blogs, but also on-air presence and how to put together a story for television, hoping that they can take this information back with them to their home schools and implement it there.
And one of those Hall School alums teaching at J-Day is Brady Talbert. Brady became passionate about journalism in high school and decided to pursue his degree in broadcast here at Troy. He then went on to accept his current job at WSFA 12 News while he was still a college student. He says he hopes he is able to share his passion for the field with potential future journalists.
It was definitely a full circle moment for me. I spent so many years here in the journalism department at Troy University, and now that I'm in the professional world, it was just really an opportunity to give back to not only the students here, but the future generation of journalists at high schools across the state.
For many students who attended J-Day, they set a goal of learning something new to hopefully take back to their high school journalism programs.
So today I got to be a news anchor for the TrojanVision, and it was just such a fun experience. I loved it. We learned a lot about how TrojanVision produces 3 live videos 5 days a week, and we just hope that Indiana High School to one day do that as well.
Claudia Peppenhorst, TrojanVision News.